Like mosquitoes, idiots on the roads don't seem to stop coming. From those who learn their lessons to those who seem to have bought their licenses. We have it all, ladies and gentlemen. They make the roads we drive on dangerous. And today we shall see how exactly they express their masterpieces. Grab your snacks and lay back as we begin with the video right away. WTF, what is it? A creature that has marked its territory. There is a monster who is the scourge of traffic. Of course, she is a Karen. Karen have a very sacred duty, and for this duty they can sacrifice all the gasoline in their car tanks. This sacred duty is of course to put all the drivers in the traffic into a fit of laughter. It is also to ensure that all drivers have nightmares when they sleep at night. These are just one of the duties of Karen.
No, you're a freaking If you are traveling in traffic with an expensive car, there are a few very important things you need to know. The first is to check your car's oil and water. The second and most important thing is to always check if there is a biker around. I guess this driver's bad day makes a biker angry. Probably the result will either end in court or hospital.
Bro, you almost killed me. Are you out of your goddamn mind? What?
What do you mean? You're right by me. Take that.
Oh, get out. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me.
Bro. Take
Dude, we just got the bike. You nearly ran me off the road. Are you insane?
You were right. Turning my.
You had no signal. I got it all on camera, bro. Don't even give me that.
Chill out, bro.
You almost killed me.
What do you do?
What I want you apologize, you dumb. You almost killed me. Are you insane? I got a family to get home to. No, I don't want to hear it from you. I got a family to get home to. You nearly knocked me off my goddamn bike. No signal, no and then you put your hands on me? Are you insane?
You got my face in mask. You got all my.
Ran him over, dog. Come on.
You're a dumb dude.
Yeah, it was an accident.
And you're on your goddamn
I
phone.
wasn't even on my phone, bro.
Well, you're doing some stupid, man.
I was trying to turn and you were right.
The human thing to do would be like, I'm so sorry, man. Oh, you saw me. I know you saw me.
Yeah, I saw you after it was.
Dude, I hope you're be ready to be famous on the internet.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Let's go.
Man. Almost killed me and all you do is argue. Dumb it, bro.
Hey.
Get in your car and go. I don't want to hear it from you.
I'm not trying to argue. That was an accident. It happened, bro. I'm sorry. Is that what you want? I'm sorry, bro. But.
All right, let's go.
Hey, I didn't see you, bro. And I thought you were way behind. You were close to me. Hey, dude, whatever.
All right, it's whatever. I'm alive. It doesn't matter. Just please look out. There's a lot of us. I've lost friends because of people like this, okay? That's why I get upset.
Okay, bro.
I've buried way too many friends, okay?
Good.
God.
Good day, dude.
If you're a biker and you're riding on pavement, you have to suffer the consequences. You're lucky if you get caught by the police, but if someone with a bag notices you, that's bad.
What? Who the f*** talking to, you f***ing idiot?
Sorry, mate, he's really drunk.
Who are you f*** talking to? It's a pedestrian area before 7 o'clock at night, bruv.
Go with Louise now, please.
Go down there and see how many mopeds are on the f***ing street, bruv.
Well, okay.
Have a good one.
I'm going slow, mate.
That's right, I'm trying to go slow as well. Have a good one. Have a good one, bro.
If you're a biker and want to fight an Audi driver, you should think twice. Audi drivers can be very aggressive, especially if they have girlfriends with them. Also, if the stubbornness of the biker and the Audi driver is combined, an endless source of energy will emerge.
What's up, mate?
Why are you waving your hands at me?
Because I want you to calm down. What do you want? What are you following me for?
I'm not following
you. Bike? What are you following me for?
I'm not following you.
Right, so what are you doing
I'm
then?
going
Well,
to
fuck
Dab.
off then.
I'm going to Dab.
You can do that.
Do what?
Fuck off then.
You go front. I'm not letting you behind me.
Go.
I don't trust you behind me.
Go. I'm telling you to fuck off.
I'm recording. I'll just let you know.
Well, go then. Stop following me. You just.
I am
around
not
and
following
you're
you.
me. Now go.
It's quick. No, you going
No,
front.
go. I'm telling you to go. You want a problem? Get off your bike or fuck off.
Why are you threatening me?
I'm telling you, get off your bike.
Have you ever seen a biker punch cars? This biker is so angry he's taking all his anger out of the car. It is dark and there is a biker who wants to go home after work. Generally, people who get on expensive vehicles are thought to be more polite and obey the rules. But in this video, there is someone who doesn't care about the biker.
Hey! Been real quick, going.
Volvo probably produces the toughest vehicles in the world. These vehicles are so robust that they can still work even if a tank passes over them. The red Volvo in this video is getting in the way of a biker and is aware that at any moment his mirror may shatter.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.